Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of 3x to the power of 5 multiplied with the root of number 4 of x squared plus 2dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. About x to the power of 5, we can put about x to the power of 4 multiplied with x. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals for the root. Later that we put the power 4 in the both sides. We know that we have x to the power of 4. We need to find the value x to the power of 2 in here. So we got about u to the power of 4 minus 2. Next, we need to do first the derivative of this one. And you got about 4u to the power of 3 du equal to x dx. We divide both sides with number 2. And now we need to change this one. About the root, we change for u. About x to the power of 4, we change for this one. Because we have x to the power of 2, so we got about u to the power of 4 minus 2 to the power of 2. X dx, we change for this one. And now we need to simplify. 3 multiplied with number 2, you got about 6. U multiplied with u, you got about u to the power of 4. Next, we need to expand this one. So you got about u to the power of 8 minus 2 minus 4u to the power of 4 plus 4. Next, about u to the power of 4, we multiply with u to the power of 8, negative 4u to the power of 4 and 4. So you got about this one, you got about 12. This one you got about 8. And the last one. Next, we got the final answer. The integral of u to the power of 12, you got about u to the power of 13 over 13. The next one, that's you got about u to the power of 9 over 9. And that's about u to the power of 5 over 5. And we put about c is about constant. About u, we need to change back for this one. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.